GM friends, welcome back to my channel. Apologies for not uploading on Monday. I've been Ramadaning and I've also been traveling. So yeah, and my arm hurts and I'm like a bazillion things happening. But yeah, I got like an hour left. I need to eat before I start my fast. But I found a really big project, really exciting project called IONET. It's in the AI space, deep in space, on top of Solana. So it's checking a lot of boxes. And it's very early, but there's quite a few things to do. There's hardly any videos about this, like as comprehensive as this one's going to be. So yeah, let's get started. So the the website is io.net. It says the internet of GPUs. As you can see here, it says powered by Solana, Render, and Filecoin. These are big names in the space. They're all like billion-dollar projects, and we know AI right now is all the fuss. So as you guys know previously, I have also, I've spoke about AI, DePin, etc. But I like talking about things that, not that mainstream, etc. Hence why, you'd want to subscribe to this channel, guys, and like the video, because this is going to be a very comprehensive video. I'm pretty sure you're going to learn something from this. Let's go into here, io.net. It says AI, this is a Twitter, so AI compute as a currency powered by AIO currency, internet of GPUs built on Solana. This is the video you want to watch. I'll also post a YouTube link. So here you can see at Breakpoint, which is one of the biggest conferences, or they had a really good, I'll leave this link in the description, but it's very good. I'll also tell you some interesting things about it. Recently, they also raised 30 million, and it's all tier one guys, top-notch investors, some of the best in the business. So you got Multicoin Capital, who are big investors in EOS and Solana, and Delphi Digital, Chads, Pure Chads, Animoca brand. They're kind of everywhere, to be honest, Animoca brands, but good to see that. KX Ventures and Solana Ventures themselves, so that's very good. You got Sandbox. So yeah, as you can see, there's some really good investors out here. So Hack VC. So here you can see article by The Block. They raised at $1 billion valuation. This is a very good thread by a partner of Multicoin Capital. So here you can see their official tweet by IONET. They say the ignition program is live. Connect a device and supply compute to the network at this, and then use the visit the Galxe task and join the Discord and stay active with what they're doing. Let's first get the Galxe out of the way. I am going to show you how to do the supply and the CPU. Stay tuned for that. This is the link for the Galxe task. It's open right now. First, what you want to do is get a Galxe passport holder. I've talked about this before, but if you don't have this, guys, you need to go in here. What you want to first do is load up your smart balance. Go here, load up your smart balance. You'll have to deposit like Matic chain, whichever chain you prefer. There's different chains and different currencies. I just done Matic, and I think I done Matic currency as well, or USDC. Just load up like $10, $20 because you need it for different tasks and different projects. And once you've done that, then what you want to do is mint your passport. Go here and mint a passport. I've already done it. As you can see, it shows it here. And once you've done that, go to a Web3 score. Then it will tell you need to mint your Web3 score NFT. It costs $5, 5 USDT, USDC, whichever currency you want to pay in. And that's it. Once you've minted that, it will take about 10 minutes to show up your balance. So you'll deposit the balance. It'll take about 10 minutes to show up. Once it show up, it's quite fast. Once you've minted your passport and you've got the Web3 score, what you want to do is you'll be able to mint these. Click them and you'll see they'll check. And then afterwards, what you do, you follow them to do all these tasks, and then you'll see you'll be able to claim the points. As you can see, I've already claimed this, and then I've done the daily task earlier on. So what you want to do, this page, you want to add it to your daily task. If you remember, I had a video on this, on doing things daily for your airdrop. Have this specific page added to your daily task, so then you can visit these pages and claim the points. Pretty much all of them are straightforward. So let's read them. A lot of them are liking and following and stuff, and then following people, and you need to message on the main general channel for 10 days straight. I'm not sure why they do that, or why they want you to do that, because there's a lot of low-level messages. So I probably will just try to do the 10 days one. But yeah, it goes all the way up to 50. And yeah, once you've done that, you'll be able to claim your points. And then this one, you need to have these two: like, retweet, quote, like, retweet, quote. Straightforward. Yeah, all of this is like, retweet, quote. And yeah, these are the daily ones. You just have to visit the website, then you can claim them. And then this one, can you see, guys, these are quite important. Every single one requires you to have these two. This is how they get rid of a lot of farmers, etc. To get the airdrop level 2 and above, you need to stay active. So in their Discord, they've actually got a place where you need to actually stay active to be able to get the extra. You can read this in airdrop tier leveling in the Discord and see what you have to do, but you have to stay active and help people out, etc. if you want to get those extras. And also what you want to do, before I forget, go into the Discord and put your Solana address here. So can you see wallet submission? Go to submit, put your Solana address, and then click your submit your wallet. You want to do that. So once you've done all of that, you can check your points by clicking on their icon and then go in here and you can see your points here. Yeah, you need to do this as well. They have their own, it's like a mid journey. So avatar generator or AI generated image. As you can see, I've got two here. I've done cat with her and it generated two images. This is powered by AI.net. Now, I'm not sure how they will connect this to you because it doesn't ask for your wallet or email, as far as I remember. Now, it's the main thing we want to do is deploy a CPU. We want to deploy a CPU because that is going to be like what's going to make you stand out. So what you want to do is go on their website. Actually, before that, just go on docker.com/products/docker/desktop and just download the Docker of your choice. I'm doing this on Apple Silicon M2. So I'm going to choose the Apple chip and click that, and I've downloaded it. But for your one, you'll do the respective one. And once you've done that, just open it up or sign in. All you have to do, you don't have to do anything else. And then also, if you're on Mac, what you want to do is open your terminal. Docker and terminal, you want to have them open up. Now, next, you go in here, you go on IO.net, hit sign up. I've already signed up. So it's going to be like this on cloud. You go down and hit on worker. Then you're going to see something like this. And what you want to do is connect new worker, and then here operating system, hit Mac because you're doing it on Mac. Sorry guys, if you're on Windows, it should be very similar, but I've got a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to do a Mac. Hit IO.net, device name, I just bought a Mac CPU worker. And then once you've done that, you're going to download Docker. Remember I told you earlier to download Docker, so now they just be telling you to download Docker. Once you do that, you open the Docker, and then now you need to put these in your terminal. Terminal is this app. It's called Terminal. It's already on your Mac. All Macs come with it. If you've uninstalled it or anything, you need to re-download it. And then just paste these three one by one. Paste these in, and then once you've done it, you'll see it will say it's been connected. So once it says it's connected, then what you want to do is go into the same place, and then it will once you reload it, it will show you this. If it doesn't, then I'll just go on it and it will show workers here. And then you will see yours. I just done mine earlier on and it says idle. I'm pretty sure that means it's online because I remember reading it on one of the FAQs. And that's pretty much it. And then what else you want to do is go in here, earnings and rewards, and just put your Solana address in there because, if they decide to do an airdrop or decide to pay you something, then they would need your Solana address. And so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me see if I missed anything on FAQ. And so once you've done it, you'll also see in your Docker, you'll see something like this. So that means it has worked. As you can see, I started it 15 minutes ago. And this is the memory. Now, I don't know if I close my computer because I'm pretty sure it's actually using the CPU of my actual computer. As long as I haven't turned it off, it should work. But if I put it on clamshell mode, like when you just put it down and it's still on, is it still going to work? I'm not sure. I'm still going to figure that out. But this is how you do it. That's just a FAQ thing. You can just figure it out or ask them. Or if I find out, I'll put it on my channel in the description. FAQ, what type of GPUs does IONET use? They just say that they use all the different kind of ones, NVIDIA, etc. Me personally, I'm running a M2 Mac. And then, is there any information on tokenomics? This is interesting. VC funding says, we'll be announcing our funding very soon, which I showed you the raise 30 million. Coin-related announcements are still not yet public. So they're not saying categorically there's no coin. I know they've hinted to a coin and mentioned a coin before. And this is some of the notes that I've got from watching some videos or when I was researching it. One of the USPs that they have, USP just means unique selling point, is they use something called clustering. So clustering, when you use many computers to compute one, it's like having a lot of computers do the same thing. That's one of the main things in AI because they need a lot of computational power. You can't use one computer. So it's called clustering. The tagline, the ways to understand this is the Airbnb of GPUs. They are clustering for Render. They partnered with Filecoin, and ultimate target for them is to have 1 million in GPUs on Solana. Whether they'll get there or not, that remains to be seen, but that's a very good ambitious target, and I personally believe they can get there. And I already mentioned that to you about Clamshell. So that's right, guys. Hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.